ladies, I'm gonna do a little bit of renovation. Ooh, hey, look at you. Come on, ladies. Come on. They're all melting. And y'all are still cute. Love you. Love you. Yeah. Look at this net. We're gonna put this under your chicken coop on the floor. That way those pesky mice don't come in anymore and eat and steal your food. That's supposed to be for you, not for them. Hey, you can get out of there. Just go, the door's over there. Yeah. Hey, it's over here too, helping my dad, who's here. She's just very curious. The white ones are over there in the corner. Or they like hanging out. That's where the cool chickens hang out. And now he's covering the wire net thingy with dirt.
It's chicken soil. Chicken soil.
Chicken soil. Yes.
They pee?
Oh yeah.
They pee and poo at the same time.
Oh, is that why some of them come wet?
Yes. I suppose so. Yeah, basically that's how it is. And he's gonna do it all over the place. Because as you can see...
Man, it's frozen, guys. We're gonna have to get an excavator.
Excavator.
Yeah, so basically you see these holes over there. They're made by mice and they come in and steal the food. That's why we're doing that. And that's why.
Let's go.
And that wire also helps to keep the predators away from digging under as well, which means they'll be safe too.
Hey, Brownie.
Don't hold her.
Why not?
Because when they're molting, it hurts.
Oh, she's molting? I broke this piece with the slingshot.
Seriously?
Yeah, it broke this one. I hit it like around like over here. 2 times.
Okay. There he goes. He's putting it inside. Oh, she's pooping over there. Her.
Huh?
Págame la tijera, Leo, por favor, mía.
Pliers or?
The snips.
Same yard.
In God's own country, I was born and raised, where the fields are green and the Lord is praised. Mountains high and rivers flowing free. It's the good Lord's hand that shelters me. Hallelujah, hallelujah, lift your voices high. In God's own country, where the angels fly, with a heart that's pure and faith that's strong,
Yeah.
we'll praise His name.
Now my dad and uncles are taking some dirt from over there to over there. Wait, let's go see how it's going. But yeah, look, they're just throwing it all in there. Make sure they have enough dirt to like dig and stuff. Get nice, beautiful dust baths too. This is like our second compost. Our big compost and our small compost. Yeah. Oh, look how dirty he is.
Huh?
You're dirty. Yeah.
I'm bloody.
Bloody? You're bleeding already. He always scratches himself doing something. Sometimes he doesn't even know how he scratches himself, but he does. It is the next morning, and they are over here. How are you liking it, ladies? Yeah, I bet you're finding a lot of bugs in this dirt. So I don't remember the last time I filmed since we put the wire at the bottom of this starter coop. But just recently, my dad had to put the wire on the bottom of this side of the coop because there's been some pesky little mice and rats coming in and eating up all their food, so that's not very nice. And he had this new addition over here, this little step thingy over here, as you can see, to make it more sturdy, I guess, and to make it more safe. I'm so sorry if you hear noises. Hi, sweetie. We're integrating a new hen. Trust me, compared to what she's going through right now, is nothing compared to what she used to go through. She's completely getting more used to it. You're becoming brave. I'm very proud of you. You're being very brave, okay, girly? I'm very proud of you. So yeah, now there's like this big thing here protecting them, and I'm so very happy for them. And my main worry was that they wouldn't have enough space to like dig and do their little dust baths. But, you know, what I'm planning on doing is just letting them outside more often and having them dig in the dirt out here in the backyard. Don't tell my dad, but I kind of told him that he was going to have to do it on this side of the coop, and he said that they would be fine, and but at least now he has them here, so I'm very happy for them.